Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Vivo Y19 smartphone. In this video, you'll learn how you can use Smart Click in your phone Vivo Y19. First of all, go to the settings in your phone. Click here for settings. Now click on shortcuts and accessibility. Click on Smart Click. Here turn on the button again Smart Click. Here you can read the instructions. That is when your phone screen is off and if you double press the volume down button, the following functions will be working. First is turn on or turn off flashlight. See here, I double press the volume down button and flashlight is turned on. So turn it off, you go to again double press the volume down button. Flashlight is off now. Again I go to the same settings and selecting second option record audio. So double pressing the volume down button will go to recording audio. Yes, recording is activated. So in this way we can directly open audio. I go to the same settings again. Click on shortcuts and accessibility. Click on Smart Click and selecting third option open camera. So when you double press the volume down button, camera will be directly opened and you can capture the image. Now I want to select fourth option, open Facebook. So when you double press the volume down button, Facebook will be opened. See here, yes, it's opened. And now I go to the fifth option, last option, enable any app. Enable app. Here you have to select any app that you want to open. So here I set it as calendar and when you double press the volume down button, calendar will be opened. Yes. So in this way you can easily set Smart Click option and you can get the shortcut with double pressing the volume down button. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.